We're finding that out as we're going through this, architecture with my class. But at the end of the day, for some functions, for some businesses, it may be better. Next, we have to deal with orchestration, which is the process that sits above the agents that figures out how they're going to interact one to another. We're able to implement orchestration layer, a managed agent, for example, overseeing all agents, communication, task assignments, and performance analytics, dynamically rebalancing workloads and spinning up new agents as needed. This is critical to the success of this because it's not that hard to build the agents that do the particular personas and take on the particular roles and tasks that are going to run within the company. But the ability to orchestrate these things so they're operating in the correct sequence and doing things in the correct way is absolutely going to be imperative. So we're able to use process mining AI to identify inefficiencies and direct orchestrator agents to optimize workflow automatically. So not only are you doing the optimization of how these agents are interacting one to another, but you're able to do optimization ongoing. And so we're always going to be continuously improving the interactions of the agents. And so at the orchestration level, we're going to be doing trial and error to figure out the best path to make those things happen. And again, if you build this multi-agent system correctly, you'll have the ability to do that. So next, and the final thing to consider would be autonomous compliance. So security and monitoring agents are able to deal with compliance and restrictions that are placed on us around the compliance with laws. You got to remember, if we're running a company, we're not only dealing with laws and regulations that are going to be part of where the company exists, in other words, the United States, for example, but also all the countries that we're doing business in. We have to consider the rules and regulations within those companies. And obviously that's a complex array of things to consider.